The VSEPR, or VSEPR tool, shows the three-dimensional geometry of bonding groups and lone pairs around a central atom. All atoms are generic, so you do not need to select specific elements. To add a bonding group, click and drag from the central atom until you see the bonding group, then release. Notice how the electron groups lay out in the proper orientation as you add them. To make a double or triple bond, click and drag from the central atom to an existing bonding group. To add a lone pair, click and drag from the central atom a shorter distance so you see the two dots, then release. For some questions, you will have the model data box in the top right corner, which will automatically update with the corresponding molecular and electron geometries and bond angles. To delete an item, click on it to select so that a blue glow appears, then click the eraser button. Or to reset the tool to the starting state, click the trash can. You can reference these directions at any time by clicking on the info button in the top left corner. For an alternate interface, open the Keyboard Accessible Control Panel to use the VSEPR tool with keyboard commands and a screen reader.